Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from these decks, guys, and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Gemini. Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, the Star, Page of Cups, the Hierophant. Gemini, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, in this relationship with this person, you have a great sense of understanding and liberty. You experience that total freedom with this person and love, and you have that attraction and intimacy in this relationship, guys. And for few of you all, you may be starting on something new in your life, some kind of new beginning. This may be regarding your work or in your personal life with this person. You are seeing, maybe for few of you all, you may be deepening your relationship. You are stepping into a new phase of your life, maybe with more stronger commitment, or you are planning to get engaged or something of that sort, guys. So you are deepening your relationship with this person and you're nourishing that relationship. That is the energy with these cards. And maybe for some of you are getting some happy news, guys. It may be from your friend or family or this person themselves, or from your work. Some happy news is coming to you. For most of you all, you or some friend is visiting you with some news. That may also be the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you may be reflecting, contemplating how things are going in your life, and you are clearly deciding what you need to do in your life, guys. And that may also be the energy here, Gemini. And you are seeing the path you want to take to reach those goals. You are seeing success within your reach, and you are seeing the clear way to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life, guys. So that may also be the energy here, Gemini. And just like I said, you are having that inspiration in your heart to achieve whatever you want to, and you are clearly seeing the way to do it. And maybe for some of you all, this person may come to propose to you, guys. That may be the new beginning that we see here. And they see you as a person with great inspiration and a loving person that they want to spend their time with. So that may be the reason that they are coming towards you, guys. They may see you as a loving person and very understanding and a very compatible person in this relationship. So that may be the reason that they are coming towards you, guys. And they may want to marry you. They may come with a marriage proposal to you, guys. That may also be the energy here, Gemini. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here. What is the energy with the other set of cards for you all, Gemini? But a definite new fresh start is coming your way, guys. Maybe in your professional life or in your personal life. Snake. Anchor. Dog. Tower. Right. Gemini, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are getting news or some kind of announcements from somebody very important, maybe from this person, or some important message that may come towards you, news, something from your friend, something of that sort, guys, and you are prepared, you are eagerly waiting for this positive news that is coming your way, this positive change, and you are having that confidence and courage to overcome all that obstacles that you may face today. So that is also the energy here, guys, with these cards. And maybe for some of y'all, you may want to keep close attention on a few people. Some people may look innocent, but they may be really threatening, guys. Appearances are not what it seems to be, so they may be trying to deceive you. So someone from your work, or even people from your friend circle, somebody, they are functioning with envy or jealousy in their heart. So that may also be the energy here. That may be the reason that they are trying to do certain things. You may be charmed by their appearance, but behind they may be working against you, guys. So you need to be careful of those people who are there in your life. Maybe somebody, you have to keep a close watch on them, and you feel that responsibility in this relationship, guys, Gemini. And for some of you all, you may be feeling a great sense of gratification. Maybe something is going well, some kind of happy things are happening, maybe because of this happy news that you're getting, or some beginning that you are getting. You are feeling that sense of gratification because you have completed certain responsibilities or commitments, and you are feeling really happy because of that, guys. Maybe certain relationships with people, it may be because of a karmic cycle, guys, and maybe this happiness may be because you are completing some kind of karmic cycle. That may also be the energy, some karmic destiny you are overcoming, guys. That is also the energy with these cards. And this person has a great love and understanding towards you. They are very much devoted to you, and they love you for what you are, guys, for your true self. They have great understanding with you, and something is definitely ending. Maybe this person who has that envy towards you or jealousy, and people who are working against you, that energy may come to an end, guys. Those negative energies are going to come to an end. So that is the energy with these cards, Gemini. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. What is the angels guidance for us? So I'll be picking one card from this deck. Love. So the angels guidance for today is love, guys. So with this card, the angels guidance is that, guys, true love is not about possessing things, or having that judgment in your heart. It is about genuine, heartfelt compassion for other person or the beings whom we are relating to. So sometimes we need to, not sometimes, always we need to have respect and that caring and compassion and we should accept the other person with a deep connection, with a true sense of belonging. So when we do that, we just open our hearts, guys, to love. And sometimes we may get hurt, but we should not be afraid. We should not be afraid to give love. So some persons we love, they may hurt us, but we need to love them even at that time. Only then we will start healing ourselves, and also the person in the relationship, whoever is concerned with us, they will also heal, and the whole world around us feels that loving energy. So we vibrate with love, and we generate love and happiness all around us. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, Gemini. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.